Hey, my name is Janet. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about burner for Star Mfg part #2F-Z3035. Burner for Star Mfg part #2F-Z3035 is a replacement burner for Star manufacturing equipment. It is designed to provide a reliable and efficient heat source for griddles, charbroilers, and other cooking equipment. The burner is constructed of heavy-duty stainless steel and features an adjustable air shutter to control the flame size. It also has a removable drip pan for easy cleaning. This burner is compatible with Star manufacturing models G24, G36, G48, G60, and G72. This part fixes the following symptoms. Burner for Star Mfg part #2F-Z3035 is used to replace a faulty burner in a Star manufacturing commercial griddle. It can help to fix symptoms such as poor heat distribution, uneven cooking, and inadequate heat output. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by disconnecting the power to the appliance. 2. Remove the existing burner and clean any debris from the area. 3. Place the new burner in position and secure it with screws or bolts, depending on your model. 4. Connect the gas line to the burner and make sure it is tight and secure. 5. Reconnect the power to the appliance and turn it on to test that the burner is working properly. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.